Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of showing the sender's name in Stories Telegram notifications. Do you enjoy seeing the sender's name when viewing stories on Telegram? Well, you're in luck. Telegram provides an option that allows you to enable the display of the sender's name in Stories notifications. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of showing the sender's name in Stories Telegram notifications. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Stories. Step 4. Tap on the Stories option. Look for the setting that says Show Sender's Name and enable it. This will display the sender's name in your Stories notifications, allowing you to easily identify who posted the stories. By following these simple steps, you can easily show the sender's name in Stories Telegram notifications, enhancing your viewing experience. Showing the sender's name in Stories notifications on Telegram adds a personal touch to the content you view. It helps you identify the sender and provides context to the stories you come across. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the enhanced viewing experience with the displayed sender's name in Stories Telegram notifications.